Hey guys, welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of bed gear, but I actually have a special guest from Bed Gear that's going to talk about the importance of the protector. But first I need him to appear, so let's do this.
Oh, thank you, Eric, for making me appear.
Yeah, of course,
Can't believe it. Today's a great day, man. I really appreciate the time and the value of some performance protectors that we kind of have laying out here that you can only be found here at Mattress Kingdom. We have a true good, better, best program. And really what I want to explain and just take a couple minutes of time today is go over the importance of protecting your investment and also incorporating airflow into what you do. First and foremost, we have, out of our Good, Better, Best program, our iProtect mattress protector here. This is a great performance material. It still has a nice little stretch to it. Also nice backing. It's still going to be breathable from the perspective of allowing your technology to move air through it, because that's what really matters the most nowadays. All of these mattresses are designed to breathe, but keeping that mattress breathing is really important. So putting a mattress protector over the top of it that allows that air to continue to transfer through it is really, really key. So our starting price point or a good mattress protector is our iProtect here. You can see here the swatch that I've got. Ooh, and I'm dropping things all over the place. I also have the nice packaging here that you can kind of see. But in our Better Best range, we do have what's called DryTech. So this material really does two functions in one. It helps protect your investment and it wicks away moisture away from your body. So I don't know if you do or I do, but if we get a little bit hot at night and we perspire, we roughly lose about a half a liter of water every single night. It's kind of crazy from that perspective. This material is really good to get that moisture and wick it away from your body to be a faster drying surface, if you will, so that you can sleep cleaner, cooler, drier at night. So this is in our Better range. It's a two function in one. What I mean by that is it protects your investment and it wicks away moisture. This is DryTech, huge, huge seller, really, really comfortable. It's got a nice feel for it. That's a nice packaging on it as well. And then in our Best program here, really we have the creme de la creme as far as mattress protectors go. This is a 4-for-1 mattress protector. It protects your investment. It still wicks away moisture such as DryTech, but it also helps keep your body regulated as far as your temperature goes, and it's really cool to the touch. So I don't know if you've ever experienced something like this before, but I highly recommend it from that perspective. You can see the Vertex mattress protector packaging here. Here's a nice little swatch, great to go over, great to feel, come down and experience it. And then also we have a full encasement, so if you're really looking for that solution that really covers the entire mattress, keeping all those things out, this is also down here at Mattress Kingdom. So come on down and see King Eric. Go ahead, King Eric. That's all I've got for you today.
Thanks, Riley. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week on Pillow Talk with the Mattress King.